And this is a video of the sound of the motor makes when you start it. It's a really nice truck. Never seen a 450 with captain chairs front and rear. Oh, it's not gonna do it now, as bad as it has been. I'm sure you could probably hear it. It is fully deleted with River City diesel up pipes and S&B cold air intake, but all that stuff's gonna get replaced. Gonna go with River City diesel stainless steel manifolds or headers. I don't know. I think I like the headers better. They're a little more expensive, but if you own a 6.4, you better ready to spend the money, because I tell you what, these trucks are unreal expensive, but the power is insane. I own this and I own a 6.7, and at the end of the day, this truck has more power than my 6.7. I don't care what anybody says.